Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to use ASOS Fit Assistant. So first of all, launch ASOS app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now go to the category of clothing you wish to buy. From here, let's choose a clothing item. Now from here, scroll down below and you'll see the category of size. Tap on it. Now on top, go ahead and tap on Fit Assistant. Now simply tap on Get Your Recommendation. Now you would have to enter your height first. You can choose either in centimeters or in feet. After this, enter your weight. You can choose kg or lbs. After this, you can slide this slider over here in order to enter your upper body fit preference. Then do the same for lower body fit preference as well. Then simply tap on Show My Size. So with that, your size will be generated from ASOS Fit Assistant. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.